Having a pet brings warmth to the heart of a person and family. There are many canines out there that fit a person's liking. Sometimes people don't do research on dogs and forget the little facts about them, such as the small dog breeds. Due to their tiny size, they are more fragile and could get problems for different reasons. It is best to know your small pets before adopting. Small dogs can be known as loud or quiet. The Pomeranian is known for always barking his head off. If this is bothersome to you, then it is best to train them at a young age that barking for no reason is a bad thing in certain cases. When you're smaller than a box, you're easier to manhandle. Small dogs have to suffer through this many times when someone picks them up roughly, tosses them around, or shoves and pulls on them. This may cause them to become aggressive to their caretakers, and the only way to prevent or fix it is to handle them gently like you would an infant or child. Another thing to look for in your small dogs is fear. There is the problem that since everything is bigger than them, they are prone to get hurt. Though this could happen, keeping your dog from exploring its world could only make it fearful of its future encounters. Let the dog take in its world and keep a protective eye on them. Being small makes the tiny breeds more fragile most of the time. They don't have strong bones like larger dogs do, which means they need to be handled with more care. One common way small dogs injure themselves is jumping off high furniture. Even the couch counts as high. It is best to keep them off or watch them if they aren't by your side. Another way small dogs get hurt is accidentally being stepped on. Sometimes people don't notice them or assume they were in another room until they hear a yelp. This happens a lot, especially when the dog sticks close by. Just be more aware your pet really is for its safety and to avoid injury. Some little dogs think they are big and can take on the world. Be aware your little dog may not be aware of things or others that they shouldn't be around, especially larger animals. If they were to fight, you know who would come out the only injured animal. Keep a watchful eye on your pet when seeing them interact or approaching another animal. One select thing, it's good to keep in mind dog bones are small and fragile. Anything could break them with little force. Remember that jumping off a low couch could even hurt them. Being rough with them or tossing them around could hurt them badly. When you have a small dog for a pet, though they are very cute, you should treat them gently like a young child. Hopefully you don't squeeze or toss children around, since though they can tell you when you're hurting them, but a small dog can't. Every dog has its health problems. When you're getting a small dog or already have one, make sure to be aware of your dog's special needs. With smaller dogs, you have to worry about their health and safety more since you can never know what could happen with them. It is good to be aware and always bring your dog for checkups a few times a year. Hopefully people will become more knowledgeable of how to take care of their small dogs. It isn't an easy job. You can't always protect or cuddle them from the big world, but in the end, seeing their cute little faces and wagging tail makes up for all the worry.